Origin has shown you previously how you can add balloon numbers to your DimXpert MBD. The problem has always been is that you have to edit the PMI one item at a time to add these balloon numbers. Well, Origin has created an enhancement to make that process much less tedious. Just watch. I have a file here with DimXpert MBD, but I have not added any balloon numbers. If we go to the Assist ribbon, we have added a new command, Add Balloons to Annotations. By executing this command, Checkmate automatically adds balloon numbers to all the PMI. Here is a second example where there are some balloon numbers, but not all in the DimXpert PMI. Using the exact same command, Checkmate will keep the existing balloons and fill in the blanks for the PMI that has no balloon numbers. Thanks for watching and have a great day.